All right. Back with the Wick.
So I got this very cool extendable long blowgun.
Is it ribbed for your blowgun?
It is.
Nice.
And so that I can stick it in the frame there, since I can't get into the front of the frame anymore, and blow out all the gunk that Jim forgot to take out of the frame. So this is kind of cool. I guess it works like that.
Wow.
How about that?
That was fast.
Yeah, so it's adjustable like that.
And ribbed for your blowgun.
Yeah. There
Nice.
you go. We'll see how it works.
Nice. And I'm going to show you guys a picture of my buddy Greg's frame that was powder coated for his Chevelle.
Looks a little different.
Yeah, it looks a little different than what we got from our buddy Jim, our pal.
Yeah.
I'll show you that right here.